Hey gang, Jesse here at EC Auto Repair, and in a recent video that I did over induction services, especially on GDI engines. So a couple things I forgot to mention in that video. This service should also be done on a regular conventional gasoline engine as well. It does not have to be done every 15,000 miles like it does on the GDI. It's every 30,000 miles or every 2 years. Does the same thing. It goes in there, it cleans everything on the combustion side of the engine up really good, and obviously a clean engine becomes an efficient engine, so that's why I bring that up. So wanting to show you the tool that we use to do this. So this is basically just a reservoir, and we pour the intake valve cleaner, air intake valve cleaner. So there's 2 bottles of that and then a bottle of 44K. So we take the air intake cleaner and we pour it in here. This is going to hook up in different spots on different vehicles, but in this case, if I was to do this service on this vehicle, I would disconnect this hose right here where it goes into the intake, and I would hook this up. I would then install a Revit tool because we have a Revit tool, I would install it on the throttle, the foot throttle, and then I would program it for this vehicle, and it'll sit here and actually do the service and introduce this into the vehicle at the appropriate amounts. In some vehicles, they want us to pull the fuel pump relay and shut the fuel off, so it's strictly burning this. Other vehicles, we should have to leave the fuel pump relay engaged so that the vehicle will continue to run. So each vehicle has its own little perk on how it wants the service performed, but this is the big scope of how this works. So literally hooking up a hose, introducing the chemical. We're going to then put the 44K into the fuel tank so that the fuel that's actually being burned is going to actually clean the injectors from the inside out as well. So trust this is helpful. Let me know your thoughts, and then if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.